Ogai mar Obila Douglas Kanja oyudore kama tek mar lero ne jopiny kod senators kit andika mane Albert Ojwang ondike mbui manokelo meko mare. Kanja oyango ni andika no mar mbui ne wacho ni jalup Ogai mar Obila Douglas en jamibadhi kendo tiyo kod apisas moko mag okwach kich tayo timbe mag mok ni kare. Kaka jafumbo marwa Cynthia Onyango lero, joked ni ratich oganda bende koro medo keto liet ne jalup Ogai mar Obila mondo gwe tao.
Another post depicted him alongside Mr. Joseph Chirchir, who is a senior officer stationed in Nairobi Area Command, under the caption, EACC investigating top cop after purchase of $2.6 million home in Dubai, accompanied by the DIG's photograph under the phrase, Langat Mafia Police.
Through forensic analysis, they were able to identify the link used by the blogger and the person linked to the account as one Kelvin Moinde. On 5th June 2025, Kevin Moinde was arrested by DCI officers. On interrogating the suspect, the officers established that one Albert Omondi Ojwang, herein referred to as the deceased, a resident of Leader Center within Homa Bay County, was a person of interest and therefore planned to arrest him.
We want to call for the immediate stepping aside of Eliud Langat, the Deputy Inspector General and head of the Kenya Police, who has been revealed to be the complainant in the matter that led to the arrest of Albert Ojwang.
Doma malo chungo bura mano chwali doho gi jaked ne ratich oganda mag riwruok mar Operation Linda Jamii ka kwedo wel